Hi guys, welcome back to another Irish lesson, and today we're going to be talking about home and a couple of different phrases that we can use to talk about our homes or just different phrases related to the home. So let's start with the word home, which you can say in a couple of different ways depending on what you're talking about. It can be teach, which is really house or home, teach, or teach coneha, or Valia. The first phrase we'll look at today is an old saying, a very old saying, Neal tinteán, maar do thinteán féin, which means there's no place like home. Literally translated, it means there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. Neal tinteán, maar do thinteán féin. As you can see, tinteán is the word fireplace, but in the second time we say it, do tinteán, your fireplace, we add the shevu, changing the sound from T to H at the beginning of the word. Níl tinteán mar de thinteán féin. To say you're at home, it can be sa Valia or faoi Valia. Sa Valia, faoi Valia. Sa Valia, faoi Valia. To be away from home or absent from home is ve, to be, as, out of or away from, Valia. Ve as Valia. Ve as Valia. To stay at home is fannacht sa Valia or fannacht sa teach. Fannacht sa Valia, fannacht sa teach. To leave home, an Valia a ágáil. An Valia a ágáil. Ágáil to leave. To go home, dul a Valia. Dul a Valia. Dul a Valia. To get home, an Valia a bhaint amach. An Valia a bhaint amach. To come home, teacht a Valia. Teacht, to come, a Valia, home. Teacht a Valia. Or what if you are about to do something? Tí aig a thuirt an Valia. Tí means about to. Aig a thuirt. Aig is face, like we saw before. A thuirt is to give. So in other words, like to start to return home. Start to head home, like you're facing home. You're going in that direction. An Valia. Tí aig a thuirt an Valia. Tí aig a thuirt an Valia. Near home, de chóir Valia. De chóir Valia. De chóir Valia. On their way home, a malach a Valia. A malach a Valia. A malach a Valia. Or you could also say a slí a Valia. A slí a Valia. On their way home. A malach a Valia. A slí a Valia. Without a home, gan dídan. Gan dídan. Gan dídan. The notion of home. Notion an Valia. Notion an Valia. Very similar to English. Notion an Valia. Make yourself at home. Dain do cuid féin den teach. Dain do cuid féin den teach. Dain is to do. Do cuid féin, like your stuff, your things, den teach, like, well, just make yourself at home. Be at ease. Do you? Make yourself at home. Dain do cuid féin den teach. Dain do cuid féin den teach. Native country. It doesn't have the word home in it, but still has the idea of home. Home being a country. Tír, country is tír. Úchas is native. The word dúchas means hereditary right or claim, birthright, heritage, and then when you put it with tír, we get the form gúchas. Tír gúchas. Tír gúchas. Native country. Tír gúchas. Another very similar expression is an ód dúchas. An ód dúchas, which means on home soil. Ód comes from fód, which is like a sod of turf, or a sod of earth. I don't know if non-Irish people know what I'm talking about when I say turf and bogs and stuff, because at times when I've spoken to people before saying that I used to live in a bog, they always thought I was talking about the toilet. So if you don't know what a bog is, it's like an area of land. It's a different kind of earth. It's kind of like, it's from old forests years ago, like coal and oil, but it's still mud and it has stuff growing on it, but you can chop it up, dry it out and burn it to stay warm in the winter, which is what you see loads of people doing every summer. Although I think the law has changed on that now to preserve a lot of areas. But yeah, every summer, at least in the past anyway, you could see people drying out the sods or little pieces of turf in the bog to later bring home to burn. Let me know if that sounds weird, because I really don't know if there are any bogs in other countries. Maybe I'm just really ignorant. Anyway, so that's what fód means. On Ode Dúchais is on the home soil, on the home soil, on the home sods. At home and abroad, sa Valia, agus I géin. I géin is like elsewhere in the distance. Sa Valia, agus I géin. At home and abroad. Sa Valia, agus I géin. The home side, or the home team, fuireann na háite. Fuireann is team. Na háite is of the place, of the area. Áit is area or place, na háite of the place. Fuireann na háite. Fuireann na háite. The home side, the home team. Home products. Targi natira. Targi are products. Natira, as we saw, tir is country, natira of the country. Targi natira. Home products. Targi natira. I opened the door of my home. Duscail mé duras muhi. Duscail mé, I opened in the past. Duscail mé duras, door, muhi, of my house. So chalk here it changes to T, but then because it's mine, we add the shevu muhi. Duscail mé duras muhi. Duscail mé duras muhi. I opened the door of my home. You now have a home of your own. Tá do theach féin agat anois. Tá do theach, so tá present tense, do theach, your house, féin, your own house, agat, like on you, well you have it, anois now. Tá do theach féin agat anois, you have your own home now. Your own home is on you now. They have a summer home in Cork. Tá teach saoirí. Teach saoirí is summer home or holiday home. Acu, on them, or in other words, they have. Tá teach saoirí acu I Gurkig. I Gurkig is in Cork. In County Cork is it's the largest county in Ireland, right down the south. A very, very beautiful scenic place. Tá teach saoirí acu I Gurkig. Tá teach saoirí acu I Gurkig. He's working from home. Sa Valia, in the house or at home, a bhíonn sé ag obair. He does be working. Bhíonn sé, he is ag obair working. Sa Valia, a bhíonn sé ag obair. Sa Valia, a bhíonn sé ag obair. Or tá sé ag obair ón Valia. Tá sé, he is ag obair working on from Valia, home, the house. Tá sé ag obair ón Valia. It's where I call home. Tom sa Valia ann. Tom, I am, sa Valia, at home, ann, there. I'm at home there, it's where I call home. Tom sa Valia ann. Tom sa Valia ann. I've made Spain my home. Tom imaconi sa Spáin anois. Tom, I am imaconi living sa Spáin in Spain anois now. Tom imaconi sa Spáin anois. Some of them set up home in the village. Cuair roinnt acu fuhu sa shráid Valia. Cuair roinnt acu, roinnt acu, some of them. Sráid Valia, here it means village. Cuair roinnt acu fuhu sa shráid Valia. Cuair roinnt acu fuhu sa shráid Valia. It's happening in my home area. Tá sé ag tarlú I mo cheantar féin. Tá sé, it is, ag tarlú, happening, I mo cheantar, in my area, féin, own. So in my own area. Or in my home area. Own area, home area. Tá sé ag tarlú I mo cheantar féin. Tá sé ag tarlú I mo cheantar féin. She left home to go to America. Dog she left, on Valia, home, le dul go America, to go to America. Dog she, on Valia, le dul go America. Dog she, on Valia, le dul go America. Although he misses home, ke gumrahan she, ui, on Valia, ke gumrahan she, ui on Valia, ke go mrahan sé ui on Valia. He felt an ache for home. Vi cua I nia on Valia. Vi cua there was an ache on him. I nia after on Valia home. So as usual, let's just review all of these once over to finish off. So home can be teach cónaithe, or Valia. And then it can change a bit, the word can change a bit depending on how we are using it. There's no place like home, or in other words, there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. Níl ein tinteán, mar do thinteán féin. At home, sa Valia, or fui Valia. To be away or absent from home. Ve as Valia. Ve as Valia. To stay at home. Fannacht sa Valia or fannacht sa teach. To leave home. An Valia a ágáil. To go home. Dul a Valia. To get home. An Valia a bhaint amach. To come home. Teacht a Valia. About to head home. Tí I go hurt an Valia. Near home. De chóir Valia. To be home. Ve sa Valia. On their way home. A malach a Valia or a slí a Valia. Without a home. Gone didan. The notion of home. Notion on Valia. Make yourself at home. Déan do chuid féin den teach. Native country. Tír uchish. Hereditary right or claim, birthright or heritage, duchus. On home soil. An ode, duchish. At home and abroad. Sa Valia agus I géin. The home side. Fuireann na háite. Home products. Targaí na tíre. I opened the door of my home. Duscail mé duras muhi. You now have a home of your own. Tá de teach féin agat anish. They have a summer home in Cork. Tá teach saoirí acu I gCorcaigh. He's working from home. Sa Valia a bhíonn sé ag obair, or tá sé ag obair ón Malia. It's where I call home. Tám sa Valia ann. I've made Spain my home. Tom imachoni, sa spawn anish. Some of them set up home in the village, where rint a coup, fuhu, sa shrad Valia. It's happening in my home area. Tá sé ag tarlú imach cheantar féin. She left to go to America. Dog she on Valia, le dul go America. Although he misses home, cé go mraithin sé ui on Valia. He felt an ache for home. Bhí cua I nia on Valia. We'll do another Irish lesson again in a couple of days, and I'll see you soon.